Hello everyone, today I have a review of another Balisongs from the Russian company NOKS, models M210 and 211. Total length is 20.5 cm, blade length is 8.8 cm, blade thickness is 4.5 mm. The steel of the blade is D2, it is a high alloy tool steel with increased corrosion resistance, tempered to 58-68 RC. Black stone wash finish, flat grind. The blade features a company logo in the name, a logo depicting a pterodactyl, inscription in Cyrillic, Balisong M210, design A. Biryukov. On the other, the steel name D2. The handle scales are made of green G10. I like it when something is on the handle. It gives me a more secure grip. Pocket clip. The pocket clip itself also helps with safe handle and bike handle orientation. The lock is a standard key latch. The second model is typically a training model. You can buy it separately or in a set. In summary, a very interesting design with character. These are slightly smaller butterfly knives, but I like them. Not every Balisong has to have titanium on the handle and a spring latch. They're used to be a model from Benchmade. I think it was the 53 Mongoose, if I remember correctly. It wasn't very popular as the flagship 42 or 51 from Benchmade, but it also had a D2 blade, a green G10 handle scales, and there's no spring latch. This model reminds me of it a bit, probably because of the green color, the steel, and the loose latch. The Mongoose was a nice model, but it wasn't cheap. Generally it's hard to find a good butterfly knife for a decent price. It's great that the NOKS company is meeting these needs. It's not bad to flip these Balisongs, it's just a matter of getting used to them. A version with AUS 8 steel is also available. If you wish, you can try to figure something out with the latch. I've seen some wizards install springs, but I don't need that. I like the factory version without any modifications. Simple, solid and uncomplicated Balisongs are for a good price, with good steel, are a good competitor to expensive Balisongs. That's all this review, thanks for watching.